Here's another video to show you on how to clean the printhead. So this time we will be using this HP Ink Tank Wireless 415. So why do we need to clean the printhead? Especially kasi when it's not often used, just to make sure lang na makapag-print tayo as clear as we want and satisfied tayo sa printout. Kasi minsan po kapag po na-stuck ang printer, possible pong mag-dry yung ink niya sa nozzle. So that's why sometimes when we just print lang kaagad without cleaning before using, we get a poor printout. So all we need to do is to follow this instruction on how to clean before using. So the instruction is we need to press and hold the power button and press also the X or cancel button twice, then release. So let's try to do this. Press and hold power button, then press twice the X and then release. 1, 2, then release. Okay, so after doing that, the carriage inside will respond by going on the right side inside the printer to start cleaning. Then one of the sign that it is still cleaning when the light is still blinking on the power button. So we just need to wait until it becomes stable again. Okay, so we just need to wait. Okay, so nag-normal na po siya or nag-stable na po ang light sa power button. So this time para malaman po natin kung nagkaroon ng improvement yung cleaning natin. So actually you can do this twice po pwede natin gawin yung cleaning. So this time we need to perform the diagnostic test. So ito po ang command on how to perform the diagnostic test. So kanina po press and hold power button, then twice pressing the X. So that's for cleaning. And then this time we need to perform the diagnostic test. So press and hold power button, then press also the X once and then release. Diagnostic test. So dito sa report na to, malalaman natin kung kailangan pa natin mag-cleaning like this one na meron siyang white line. Then dito naman nag-solid magenta na po siya, and then like this one also perfect. And this one also perfect yung black natin. So konting cleaning na lang po mawawala na yung white line. So mostly okay naman na po ito. So this report malalaman natin kung ilan na po ang na-print nung printer. So sa number 21 nakapag print na po siya ng 2,282 page count. So dito po natin malalaman yon. And also malalaman din natin dito kung ilang beses na po tayong nagpalit ng printer head. So like sa tricolor, cyan, magenta, and yellow. So nakapagpalit na po tayo for this printer ng 5 beses. And for the black naman, nakapagpalit tayo ng 4 na beses. So ganun lang po kasimple kung paano po mag-cleaning ng printer head. Kasi sometimes hindi naman po natin madalas nagagamit yung printer. So kapag gagamitin na po natin siya, normal po na magkaroon tayo ng printout na poor quality, poor printout, and sometimes faded, mga ganong printout. So that's it. Thank you for watching.